It's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Virginia Lee Rose School, home of the Knights, and it was an honor to be here today. I'm in Madera, California, part of the Madera Unified School District, and the focus for today's assemblies for the students was all about bullying, but really trying to look at someone's heart first, right? The same way that you see your best friend, you see them for their heart before anything else. And I'm in their main office right now after school here, but what we have here is their matrix for behavior, but their whole mantra, their whole mission, their motto for what they stand for, being the Knights, is this ARMOR acronym, right? So we have accountable, respectful, motivated, organized, and ready. And I really tried to kind of hone in on the respectful piece, right? Because when we're talking about the concept of bullying, you know, we have to have that self-respect and self-love first before we can give it out to someone else, right? And our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign. And the reason that it's two is because one finger is ourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself, but how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, you know, 1, 2, one breath, one heartbeat, one word, one action, we can say something so kind, stays in someone's heart in a positive way forever, or conversely say something so negative it stays on their heart in a bad way for the rest of their life too, right? So we always have this choice, and no matter what we've gone through or will go through, currently going through, you know, we can always rise above the hate. There's a lot of students, some in tears today, something that touched their heart, one of the stories, a current bullying situation in their life, or someone they lost, whether it was a family member or a pet, you know, and having to deal with that emotion, even at a very young age, that they were still kind of working through it, you know. And I always say that hurt people, right? So sometimes when we're hurting, the tendency is to go push that pain on someone else. But if we can fully deal with it, we can turn that into healed people who heal people, right? And be that light to someone else's heart. And I love that kind of the tie-in and connection to this as well. They have their pledge, the Rose Knight Pledge. It's talking about pledging to do what's right and really respecting myself and others too, right? And really trying to help others. And the more that we understand that every action has a reaction, of course, but if that reaction can be positive or negative, you know, sometimes that's up to us based on how we are going to treat not only ourselves, but the people around us, and see everyone for this too, not just the heart, but all of us as miracles. We all have the lines on our hands. I trace one of mine here, bring this up in all my presentations, but all of us with the lines on our hands, right? We have the letter M. Sometimes a faint line connects, they have at least one on each hand, and that M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to give it and receive it, but we have to buy into this, right? Because the more that we believe this, then we want to shine that light towards other people. Just like armor shines, right? If it's polished good, hopefully that's going to be us too. You know, we're going to go out into this world, not just our school, but the community in general, this world, this planet, and be that change and just really be that kindness that this earth really needs more of. So thank you all for touching my heart. It was great to meet all of you. Hope to see you again soon in the near future. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.